welcome to our coconut milk factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how fresh coconuts are transformed into rich, creamy coconut milk enjoyed around the world.
To ensure the highest quality milk, we begin by rapidly removing the coarse outer husks using these high-speed mechanical cutters, revealing the inner shell. Advanced extraction systems maximize yield while preserving natural flavor and nutrients. Carefully controlled processing ensures a smooth texture and long shelf life.
Every batch is tested before reaching consumers.
And that's how fresh coconuts are transformed into creamy coconut milk, from tropical plantations to kitchens around the world.